Check it out, people. Can you hear it? Oh, it's gone away now. Oh, there he goes. I hear a plane, but it's way up there. Yeah, it's got to be over here. It's like it's traveled this way. I thought I was going to be able to catch it, but I like the birds. Listen to that. Nature's awesome, people. Look, here's some little birdies right here. Nature's awesome. Be mindful. Look, here they are down here. Hey, what's up, guys? What are you doing? Yeah, they're everywhere. Look, some little sparrows up there, and that's sparrows. Hey, Jack, what are you doing up there? Isn't that Jack sparrows? Isn't that what those are, sparrows? All right, everybody be safe out there. Peace.